Hola!
And welcome to our weekly Between the Lakes 321 Pingcast. These Pingcasts are every Thursday at 8 p.m. Spanish time and 7 p.m. UK time.
This week we're visiting the Vintage Food Festival, which was last Friday, Saturday and Sunday. We'll be talking about our new 360-degree videos, and we've also got a couple of interesting news items for you. Also, we'll be reading out some of your comments and thoughts and discussing them, so stay tuned till the end.
The weather's been absolutely glorious, just like summer. We've had temperatures up to 30 degrees, but now it's started to cool down a bit, and it was quite a change on Sunday. We had lots of cloud and a bit of rain. It's now only reaching about 23 or 24 degrees, but it's still lovely and feels a lot hotter in the sun.
And look at it tonight, we're sat outside with our t-shirts on. Mind you put your jeans on.
Well, I've put my jeans mainly because of the mosses.
Mozzies.
Yeah,
Mozzies about, but after the rain.
I've put like a vest top underneath my shirt because it is a bit cooler now on an evening. And first thing in the morning, starts off a bit cooler.
On Saturday, we went to the Park of Nations to see the Vintage Food Festival. There were lots of food trucks, beer tents, craft stalls and music. It was extremely busy with people buying food and drinks and just enjoying the sunshine while listening to the music.
And it was lovely to meet some of our subscribers, Pete, Nina and their little girl Erin. And on our way home, we met Mark and Ed. We also bumped into our friend Cheryl.
Presumably Tony and Aaron were there in the crowd waiting for the Queen tribute band to start.
Also Amanda, Darren and their little dog Charlie, who have appeared previously in one of our videos about bringing your dog to Spain. We'll put a link to that video in the description.
See if you can spot little Charlie in this video. Welcome to the Park of Nations. Today, October the 25th, and another stonking day. 29 degrees, feels like 33 degrees.
And we've come to see the street food market. There's going to be bands on. It's on for 3 days. Today's the second day, the 25th. This afternoon there's a tribute to Queen at 2:30. Other things happening today, and tomorrow there's a tribute to the Rolling Stones and a tribute to U2.
Very good,
As well as all the stalls that's going on. And
yeah, it's only just starting, it's getting busy. It's picking up, we've got lots of people milling about, people are already buying beers and food. So come on, we'll show you what it's like.
Yeah, we're rolling now. Let's have some fun. The Foodie Fiesta, everyone. Lining up, it's a tasty parade. In the Park of Nations, memories made. Under the sun, feel the rhythm ignite. Vintage food trucks, oh what a sight. Tacos and churros, pizza galore. Burgers and hot dogs, who could ask for more? Funky tunes blasting, dancing in the air. Everyone smiling, nothing can compare with friends all around. Let's share a plate, the flavors and fun, it's never too late. Food trucks and live music, the vibe is so right. In Torrevieja, we'll dance through the night with every delicious bite. Our spirits stay soar. This foodie fiesta keeps us wanting more. Grilling and sizzling, the chefs in the zone. From paella pans to ice cream cones. Taste the spices of every cuisine. Old school vibes make this event a dream. Markets and stalls, every corner's a treat. Taste testing delights, you'll never miss a beat. Nachos and sliders, served up with flair. Our taste buds are dancing, oh, do you dare? Food trucks and live music, the vibe is so right. In Torrevieja, we'll dance through the night with every delicious bite. Our spirits stay soar. This foodie fiesta keeps us wanting more. Grab a cold drink, kick back in the sun. This food train's rolling, come on everyone. Games for the kids and laughter abound. The spirit of joy is dancing around. Celebrating flavors from every land. Each takes a story, let's take a stand. Join hands with strangers, make them your friends. Sharing this moment where happiness blends. As twilight falls, enjoy the glow. The stars start to twinkle, the stage in flow. Live music pumps through the buzz. of fresh donuts filling the air. We're all just kids without a single care. Vintage food trucks, let your cravings guide the flavors of life. Let's take a ride. Food trucks and live music. The vibe is so right. In Torrevieja, we'll dance through the night with every delicious bite. Our spirits stay soar. This foodie fiesta keeps us wanting more. So mark your calendars, don't miss the call. The foodie fiesta is a feast for all. In the park of nations, where hearts come alive, we're living for flavors that help us thrive.
Well, from the vintage street food markets here in the Park of Nations,
It's back to our casa with Mike and Yvonne.
The sun.
who were there?
What do you mean who were there?
What do you mean it was us?
Of course it were us. Who else is it going to be?
Were we there?
Yeah,
Well, how come we were there? We're here as well.
well, we're just magic.
Now then, did you remember to put your clocks back?
I did,
Did you?
yeah. Oh, we've only got 2 clocks to change.
This story is from the Euro Weekly News. Spain's Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez has reignited the long-standing debate over daylight saving time, calling on the European Union to end the clock change every spring and autumn.
Really? In a video that was shared on social media, Sanchez said bluntly, "Frankly, I don't see the point anymore." The government plans to take this proposal to the European Council, aiming to finally get rid of what it calls an obsolete practice.
The message is clear. Changing the clock twice a year no longer saves energy and causes more harm than good, disturbing people's sleep and general well-being. It's common sense, the Prime Minister said. We need a Europe that adapts to modern life and not one that makes us live by the clock.
A clear majority of people in Spain, around 2 out of every 3 citizens, support the idea of scrapping daylight saving time. Surveys show that 66% of Spaniards are in favour of keeping a single time all year round.
Wow, I didn't know it'd be that high. Daylight saving time was first introduced in Europe in 1918, when countries coordinated their clocks to make better use of daylight and reduce energy consumption. But the world has changed dramatically since then.
Hey, wait a minute, that's when we got married.
What, 1918?
I thought you said 1980.
We've only been married 45 years.
Only.
God, that's long enough, isn't it? Jeez.
This is also from the Euro Weekly News. The countdown to Christmas has officially begun in Torrevieja, where the City Council has revealed the details of its extraordinary festive lighting for 2025.
The ambitious project will see 70 streets, squares, promenades and neighbourhoods transformed into a glittering spectacle of light.
The project is part of a €465,000 investment, which is well underway across the city. The lighting ceremony will be taking place during the afternoon of November 22nd.
That's when we go home.
Well, we won't see that, will we?
We go home that day.
Yeah, we fly
Don't
that
miss it.
day.
Never mind, what can you do? There will be over 500 light structures, including beautiful arches and thematic elements. The largest tree will be about 22 metres tall. It will be a natural Christmas tree covered with 20,000 LED bulbs located at the entrance of the port.
The parish of the Sacred Heart of Jesus will also be decorated with a giant illuminated star. Then there is the Church of the Immaculate Conception, whose facade will glow with 150,000 warm white LEDs.
Outside of Torrevieja, outlying districts such as La Siesta, Torreta Florida, Los Balcones and Aguas Nuevas, there will be Merry Christmas signs which will appear in both Spanish and English.
Well, that's good.
Let's have a look at some comments from our subscribers and viewers. This first one is from Brian from our first 360-degree video on Torrevieja's seafront.
The 360 degrees video is absolutely fabulous. It was great being able to pan round seeing the places again when we were out there. To say that we miss it is an understatement. We hope you do more of these videos. Once again, thank you very much.
Oh, that's great, Brian. Thanks a lot. We'll carry on doing them because the reception has been really good. And I mean, the massive files, they take a long time to upload, but the quality is very good, especially on computers and laptops. So I'm glad you're benefiting from them, and we'll carry on doing them.
Yep. These next 3 comments are from the 360 degrees video cycling to Washington Square. And this one is from Jenny. Love your videos, but hate the 360 degree function, as we like to watch you on TV, not on our phones or laptops. Realise we're probably very much in a minority, but such a shame, as we were really looking forward to watching this particular video, but ended up not watching it to the end, as it's very disorientating to watch.
I did reply to Jenny, and I did send her a response. I'll tell you what I told her, which is that I think a lot of people don't realise, when they see the video, they think it's a normal video, and they don't realise that they can actually control the space that they see on the TV. On the TV, it's slightly different because you use your remote control. You know, the up, down, left and right controls, you use those to control what you see on the screen. So it's a totally different way of looking at a video, and you can see so much more. You can see behind, in front and each side, and up and down as well. 360 degrees, it's fantastic. But what you've got to bear in mind is, if you just leave it and start watching it and don't touch your remote control, it's just going to play that one angle, which is not going to be correct all the time, because we turn corners. If we're on a bike and we turn a corner, it will stay looking that way. So you've got to use the remote to move the image around the screen. And it's dead easy. It's quite good fun as well when you've got into it. So Jenny, please bear with us and just have a go. If you don't like it, I mean, we're not doing all 360 videos. We're just doing a few. You could have some fun moving around the screen, using your remote control, going left and right, up and down, forwards and backwards. It's brilliant.
Let us know how you get on.
Yeah, let us know.
This comment is from Isabel, and Isabel says, "It doesn't look good. Very blurry."
Well, hi Isabel, thanks for your comment. Now if you go to settings on your TV and change the resolution to as high as you can, as high as it goes, because it'll tell you what resolution you can have. It'll probably be 1440, it's a number that's 1440, it'll be right at the top. Switch it to that and it'll look really nice. As long as you've got a decent internet connection, because if your internet connection is a little bit dodgy, then it's going to stagger because it's such a big file, it's massive. But that should cure it. It's fine. I mean, YouTube actually do a little bit different on the TV resolution. For some reason, on the TV, you can only go to 1440, I think. I've not seen a 4K as yet. Maybe I'm wrong, but I've only seen 1440 on our TV, and our TV is a 4K TV. Whereas on a laptop and a computer and an iPad, it doesn't matter about mobile because they're quite small screens anyway, and 720 would look good on a mobile. But on laptops and computers and iPads, you can go to 8K. So as long as your internet connection is fast enough, and that looks absolutely amazing. But if you don't know how to get to your settings, I'll probably do a video and I'll show you how to do it. But don't miss out because it's really good.
This one is from Phil about the Washington Square video. For anyone wanting to get a bus there, the stop is stop 17 on G line, Supermercado Eleanor. Devel's is a great bar and very reasonable priced for their food.
Oh wow, well thanks a lot for that, because a lot of people would like to know how to get there. Washington Square is very hard to find, and if you've seen the video you'll know where it is now.
And didn't we have some nice fish and chips from Devel's?
We had some great fish and chips.
Yeah.
You know, Devel's is really good, you know. Great service as well, lovely people there that run the bar, Spanish. Although there's a couple of English people there, she speaks really good Spanish, the girl that works there. But they do a lot of Spanish food as well. But the fish and chips were great, weren't they?
Yeah, they were lovely, yeah.
Rocking at Devel's.
This last comment is from Kenneth, from our last Pingcast when we went to Oktoberfest at the Habaneras. We missed the Oktoberfest because it was poorly marketed. Could your show give information about coming happenings?
Yeah, thanks Kenneth, but we're going to endeavour to find out about events during Torrevieja and let you know in that week's Pingcast. If we've missed it after the day recording, we'll put it on our Facebook page. There's some great Facebook pages, and websites like I can think of Torrevieja.com is one, and the council website also put events on there, so have a look at those. We'll put them in the description below. Next we plan to cycle to La Mata and visit the market as I need some new socks and I need some shirts and all.
Yeah, got holes in your socks, haven't you?
I've got holes in my shorts, I've got holes in my socks. I've got holes everywhere.
Again, we'd like to thank all of you that have given us a super thanks or bought us a coffee.
We really do appreciate as it goes into our gear fund and that helps us keep our production quality as good as we can make it.
Special thanks this week to Alan and Leslie who bought us coffees and Kevin Marsh who gave us a super thanks for our Oktoberfest Pingcast.
Wow. On that note, I think it's time to wrap the 3, 2, 1 Pingcast up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the Pingcast, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the Pingcast. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1. Bing! Adios.
So tune in to our channel, don't miss out. With Mike and Yvonne, we'll show you about between the lakes where happiness flows, cycling through the coast where your adventure grows.